People sometimes ask me, what is legal malpractice? Well, it's just a fancy way of saying negligence by a lawyer. How is a lawyer negligent? How do you prove malpractice by that lawyer? Well, there's 4 steps, 4 elements. The first element is you have to prove that the lawyer had some kind of duty. Every lawyer has a duty to act diligently, act competently, act intelligently, and to do the right thing in your case. Getting the proper witnesses, getting the proper evidence, making sure that he writes the right brief on a timely basis so he protects your rights in court. The second element of legal malpractice is what we call a breach of duty. If they're supposed to meet a certain deadline in court and they fail to meet that deadline, then they breached the duty that they owe to you to meet that deadline. Number 3 is you must prove causation. We must prove that the breach of that duty caused some kind of negative outcome to you, that it harmed you in some way. And then we get to number 4. You were damaged. You suffered injuries or financial loss or some other kinds of damages. Sometimes we think of it as the 4 Ds: duty, deviation from duty, direct and proximate cause, and damages. If we can prove those 4 things in court, then we can get a judgment against your lawyer for messing up your case. That's a legal malpractice judgment against your negligent lawyer.